Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to open up a Roth IRA with Robinhood. So this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals who basically want a retirement account on Robinhood. How do you actually go ahead and open up a Roth IRA for it? Now this video is also going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys, and there's not going to be a lot of steps involved. But the way to actually do it is that when you first log into Robinhood, you're going to reach your homepage that looks like this. Go ahead and scroll all the way down to where it says retirement, okay? So retirement is located underneath Discover More. So click on retirement. And then next what you're going to do is that you're going to click on get started. And then once you click on get started, you'll see that you need to choose a match rate. So you can either do 2% with gold, which is Robinhood's subscription, or you can do 1% at no additional cost. And afterwards, you can click on continue with 1%. And then here, you basically just need to open up a Robinhood IRA. So click on continue. And then your account shouldn't be restricted, but here you're going to choose between an IRA type. So you can either choose between a Roth IRA or a traditional IRA. So you just simply click on Roth IRA. And then from here, just read through the eligibilities and tax benefits and withdrawal rules. But that is essentially how to go ahead and open up a Roth IRA by following the prompts here on after. But if you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.